I'm home. You like?
Oh my god.
You like? Yeah, he's gonna give you a quick tour.
I know absolutely nothing about this house, but we're gonna learn along the way.
Maybe I should let everybody know what's going on. So, Montessori property. We are doing a broker's open. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically we're showcasing this property to other agencies. So we'll see how it goes. Also, this property shows a lot better at night too, as well. I'm home.
Hi.
Hello.
That's what you were excited about.
I'm really excited about this. That looks sick, huh? What do you think about that? I put a lot of work to this. What do you
I'm
think?
still thinking about this USB memory card which I'm trying to plug in.
Why? What are you trying to do with it?
Well, trying to plug it in. Wow.
You like?
Oh my god.
You like?
Yeah. Wow.
Like a real professional. Yeah, you know.
Hi, Vanessa.
It's a pleasure meeting you.
Wow. I love it.
Is that underneath here?
Upstairs? For the lights? Yeah.
This is beautiful. I've been here for 30 seconds, but I'm blown away.
Just got here.
Yeah, just got
Okay.
Good place.
Do me a favor. Take this. Walk around. She's gonna fall in. Do your thing. Do the tour.
My thing?
Yeah, he's gonna give you a quick tour.
I know absolutely nothing about this house, but we're gonna learn along the way.
Exactly. Well, just figure it out.
Okay.
All right.
5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
Yes, we're shooting some content. Well, here's the kitchen. Is it really okay to walk around and talk about this?
You can tell Charles to do it.
Hey man, I'm getting relieved in my duties, so.
What's happening?
Chakits said tour the property.
Tour the property?
Yeah.
All right, let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs from this woman.
He's already doing better than I do.
We gotta get them steps in. I've never seen it before, but in my honest opinion, would I take it? I think so. It has a unique factor. What do you think this is?
It's
zone?
It's a countertop.
That's for sure. So, okay, we're good right here. Each bedroom has its own little section, so that way you can be able to have your personal retreat in the backyard. So it's
Let me try this again. Now it's going green. Let me get the DJI, so that way you could just film like this.
Okay.
So that way this just connects, because now I don't think this is working. Are you recording? All right, so here, check this out. Open house starts at 6 o'clock, and we have all these cars already lined up. Open house goes until 8:30. So if you guys out there want to check out 2935 Montessori out here in the west side of town, make sure to check it out.
all right, so I'm good now? Okay. All right, so let's make our way upstairs to the adult entertainment room. So check out this floating staircase. It's elegant, modern, definitely my vibe, definitely my aesthetic. I will definitely put this in my house for sure. As we make our way here, you will see the custom rope lighting, unique style. Based off of the comments that I've seen on YouTube, it's either a hit or miss. You either like it or you definitely don't. But a lot of people are definitely leaning towards it's unique and they like it. As we approach outside, I think it's pretty awesome. We have access to the roof deck on top. Once everybody, they just want to get a quick fresh air, or who knows, maybe you're having a celebratory stogie, just come out here, relax. And downstairs, that's where most of the bedrooms are located, and each one of them has a sliding door, so that way they can have their personal retreat. And as we go downstairs, we will be able to see what I'm talking about. Because usually not all bedrooms have their own personal sliding door, and then they can make their way outside. Now we're just gonna go nice and slow here. These are very narrow, especially for my gigantic butt. Hello. So check this out. Here's 1, 2, 3. And here's, you get a view of the 3-car garage. And I like the fact that it's not just that just simple, garage where it's just not see-through. I like this paneling that they have there. And you have that extra storage on there. So check out how much room we have here. Again, you can have your kids play a little soccer. Who knows? Just have a little barbecue action. Store everything that you need to in there so that way you don't have too much clutter. Let's go on. Cool thing is, you do have your good-sized pool right over there. Little beach, little way entrance. Jacuzzi. And I don't think Chakits would be too happy about this, but right now it is 104 degrees outside. And I can tell you, if I had the option, I would jump in that pool and start sunbathing right there. And again, with this beautiful house, as we're gonna make our way inside, you're gonna have that beautiful kitchen. And I think it's a good idea that they set this up back here because again, you don't wanna start getting all that water track and then you're gonna have to start drying up. Super inconvenient in my opinion. So check this out, you got a full grill, you got a sink, water, you got the wine bar or refrigerator so that way you can keep your drinks cool. And as we wrap around to the rest of the property, to our right side, we can't access it from here. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to go all the way around. One of the primary bathrooms are here. So that way, once you're finished relaxing, I was mentioning before, this is synthetic grass, but you can easily turn this into like a putting green, or who knows, maybe you wanna practice your wedge game if you're into golf, you can do that easily here. But nice little area. Now we're gonna go inside and check out the kitchen. Capture a little bit. They're gonna play some music.
They have no idea how to still create a beautiful design while keeping the budget.
Yeah, I figured. I saw some Instagram stories with your face.
Oh, yeah.
See, social media.
He's always making fun of me.
Yeah.
But pleasure meeting you in person.
Likewise. Have you been upstairs?
Yes, I started upstairs. My favorite part. Oh, and this is where Chakit calls this the hidden pantry. Check out, if my girlfriend was here, she would be super happy. Look at that. Additional room, soft clothes. I think if you go for a bulk run at Costco, you can fit everything in here, guys. Oh, look at that. Additional fridge action. All right, let's go check out the primary bathroom. So this is the primary bedroom. Personal fireplace, electronic. Stone finish. Put up lighting. I do like this right here, this stone finish that wraps around the wall. That goes into, from the primary bedroom into the primary bathroom. Get out of your way, sorry man.
And you can see some of the
I think there's plenty of room for his and her closet here. Look at this. This is all custom. Okay. And I believe in one of these right here, you'll be able to specifically hang like your t-shirts, your special dress shirts, your pants. Here, and I believe these are adjustable, so that way you can have that separation. LED lighting, elegance, modern. That's it. Let's go give this to Chuck and see what he has to say.
So a couple things here. This was completely like flat, right? So I said, hey, let's open this thing up. Let's put a stem here. So that's what we did. But then all this space is open, so we had to do a biophilic pot plant. So that's what we did. So that way, we kind of bring the, you know, outside the nature in. One thing here was kind of unique. Up here was just one open room, literally one open room. But there was a bar here. So just imagine it was outdated. So I said, what we're gonna do? Let's create a bar. We're gonna add all this, okay? Obviously we did the fireplace. Now here, it was weird. This, just imagine, it just went all the way through. So we said, hey, what are we gonna do to do some add value here? Let's build a bathroom here to create more value on the price. And if somebody lives up here, right, they could literally live up here and have their full entertainment area, their bathroom, or this could be, think about it, having a pool table here. This was just like a window.
Yeah.
And it was just weird. And I was like, yo, we gotta open this shit up because now, if we're gonna party, now we can open up the slide. You can have all your guests out here. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it just made more sense like that.
Yeah, instead of just a window. Or this deck was already.
So this deck was here, but then we put the flooring in. So we raised it up a little bit.
Yeah, okay.
So that way it's more durable, it's more resistant to the atmosphere or the sun, I guess you could say.
It's a scorching sun.
Yeah, exactly.
How long have you been in Vegas for it? Or how long? Where do you usually build around? It's not just is it strictly Nevada, or do you go?
No, it's only here. So
Okay.
we typically will do anything as long as we make money, right?
Absolutely, yeah,
So the goal is to find a property
Yep.
that we know we can make money, but also create a product that nobody has, so that way once it's on the market, it goes like that.
Yeah. So like for you, normally you would want this around what is like 30 to 60 days once it hits it, or?
So just to give you an idea,
Yeah.
and I shouldn't be telling you, this property is already sold. Okay.
Hell yeah, it's okay. Let's go.
So we're gonna just keep it like that, okay?
Yeah.
Guys, don't tell nobody, okay? We're just showcasing the property, basically. Then obviously we have the steam here again as well, but let me turn this thing on.
Yeah.
There we go. But again, you know, you change the colors.
Yeah, I was playing with that. That was really nice.
I like blue. I don't know why they always do green. But again, for us, it's like a lot of light because it creates that intimacy. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
With the LED strips, it just kind of gives that more modern feel, you know?
No, absolutely. The modern, the light.
Yeah.
Is definitely it has.
So like all this, right, is all leather finishings, right? This is quartzite. The reason why we use quartzite is because, as you can see, how the LED light comes through, creates character, right?
Yeah, no. Thank you for pointing. I didn't even notice.
Yeah. So now with these cabinets, they're fully like custom cabinets. They're not your standard cabinets. I mean, we have the trash cans. Everything is all built in. We got a refrigerator here. Obviously, we got the hidden pantry. So initially here, right, this was open. On the other side was open too as well. So I said, look guys, what we're gonna do is let's wall this up. Let's create that hidden pantry. Because again, this is made for entertainment. And as you can see, this is what we're doing here, right? This is what we want.
Hosting.
Correct. So all your stuff would come over here. This is where all your prep is. This is where you hide all your clutter, right? But also, all this was open. That was open, so you could see right through it. But that's the reason why I said, let's close this up. We did the hidden pantry, but this worked out because, check this out. When you come to the garage, you just come through the hidden pantry. You never have to go through here.
Very hidden, yeah.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying?